What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a very exciting video to talk about today. The only thing that stays consistent is the grind. Keep on grinding. Now, I wasn't actually asked to make this video. I just wanted to come on this camera and just talk about how grateful I am. We've had some amazing people with some amazing companies send some amazing stuff over to this channel. Today, as you can see, in case you're not familiar with the previous reviews, I have the wave chain, the wave pendant from Leary's hanging around my neck. Absolutely gorgeous. Just received this the other day. Thank you again, Leary's, for showing faith in this channel, because that's what you did. You sent this to the channel simply to support it, and that means a lot. We also have hanging around the neck this beautiful gorilla pendant that they had sent me also. Very happy to say. And as you see on my finger, we have this gorgeous ring. Hanging around the neck, as far as chains go, what they're hanging from, we have a 20-inch diamond cut box chain. This is from Luke Zion. Thank you, Dennis from Luke Zion, for supporting this channel very much. Really means a lot. Not only are you supporting this channel, showing faith in this channel, but each of these companies have supported you, the viewer, because we have been asked on this channel to show some of this fantastic jewelry. I've had you guys reach out to me and say, Joe, we'd like to see this from Leary's. Joe, we'd like to see this from Luke Zion, and they definitely came through. Very grateful for that. So they're not only supporting me in this channel, they're supporting you guys, because you guys asked for it. There have been plenty of companies that I've reached out to who have not supported this channel, who have not looked to give this channel any type of support at all. So these companies, guys, I've mentioned in the past in some videos, when you purchase jewelry, you're purchasing from a company. Not just the piece you're getting, you're also getting a piece of that company. You're getting the person who is serving you. You're buying them. You're buying a part of them. So that's why you might want to spend a little more money. At the end of the day, if you spend a little more money with a certain company, just for example, not saying that these companies are a little more money, I'm just saying in general, if you see a company that is backing their product, they look like a solid company, but maybe they're a little bit higher on the scale, you might want to go with them, because at the end of the day, you're buying part of the company. You're buying them. You don't want the cheapest price out there, because there may be no heart behind that piece. Now, I was out with my wife the other day, and I showed you guys this diamond cut box chain from Luke Zion, okay? Absolutely gorgeous, super shiny, flickery in the light. I mean, look at it's not even clean, guys. It's not even clean. Look at this thing, the way it shines. It's gorgeous. And I was walking around with this thing hanging around my neck. I had it as a solitaire chain, no pendants on it, just hanging, 20 inches. And I was getting looks like crazy. I was getting looks from all directions. And that's because this thing is diamond cut on 8 sides, something along those lines. I mean, it's ridiculous. The amount of shine you get from this chain, the amount of glimmer and sparkle that you get from this chain. It's like wearing diamonds around your neck, and there's no diamonds in it. This camera's not doing it justice, I can tell you. So I had one of the subscribers ask me how it went on the first day that I wore this, because I told you guys I'd get back to you on that. Absolutely phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. So I want to let you guys know I'm loving this chain from Luke Zion, and I have it here paired with this fantastic pendant from Leary's. There's enough good people in the game where you guys can go ahead and get a little bit of everybody. You know what I'm saying? There's enough good people in the game where you guys can go ahead and purchase, mix, match, and do your thing. So I just want to let you guys know, give you a little bit of update on this gorgeous chain from Luke Zion, these gorgeous pendants from Leary's, and I wanted to basically just thank these two companies for supporting this channel, because they don't have to. These guys are much bigger than this channel, and they went out on a limb and they sent me their stuff and were like, hey, you know, we wish you the best. So thank you guys for that. Really do appreciate it. And I'd also like to take the time to thank the beautiful viewers on this channel for making this channel what it is. If it wasn't for you guys asking me to put videos out, if it wasn't for you guys finding value in the stuff that I'm putting out on this channel, there'd be no channel. So thank you all, every single last one of you, for the love that you demonstrate when you comment, when you like, when you subscribe, when you tell me that these videos help. I can't even count on my hands how many people, since this channel popped up, how many people this channel has helped to purchase jewelry from. Not just from companies, but also sizes, because that's what this channel is really about, is sizing. This channel is about sizing, helping you find the best sizing possible. So at the end of the day, guys, thank you for making this channel what it is. Thank the companies who have gladly supported this channel and received nothing back from it other than just knowing that they're helping someone else in the same realm as them. They're doing it for nothing, guys. So thank you all. You guys are doing it for nothing. They're doing it for nothing. Really appreciate all of you. Thank you all. Be safe. Catch you all at the next video.